So this is the altimeter that we're using, and so that's basically the sensor, and then this is where it gets connected to the power, which is a 9-volt battery, and then the ends of the lead are connected to the positive and negative terminals of the multimeter, and then when you turn it on, it goes from off, and then you have to take it to the voltage like that. And it's just like you can't get any measurement now because it's not connected, but I'll show you a picture of what a measurement looks like. Okay, so here, this is when I was outside and I was measuring the pressure below the steps, and it outputs it in voltage to 3 decimal places, and then that was when I went upstairs. So as we can see that as we increase in altitude, the pressure decreases, so as we increase in depth, the pressure increases. Thank you so much for watching.